Hi guys, today I've got this easy chignon hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face. I'm just going to section off a chunk of hair from the right hand side, from the top of the head, going down diagonally to just above the right hand ear. Clip this out of the way for later and pop the rest of the hair into a low ponytail. Take that right hand section and we're going to bring it over to the left hand side of the ponytail. Add it to the ponytail and then we're going to split this in two and then just wrap the sections around one another to create a twist and then secure it off with a clear elastic band. Make sure you leave a few inches of hair out at the end. Now we're just going to bring that little elastic band up to the right hand side of the ponytail and then pull the ends through to the left hand side so you're creating a chignon. Then use as many bobby pins as needed all around the outside of that little bun just to make sure it's secure to the head. Take those tail ends and bring them from the left to the right hand side so it covers the elastic band and just secure with another bobby pin. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.